shore, waves and crashing softly, calling me for more. Kiki laughing splash, running in the sea. Ocean singing sweet, setting my soul free. Trade winds blow, palm trees sway real slow. This the life we live, where aloha grows. Oh, perfect beach day under the sky so blue. Watching the Kiki play, every moment feel true. Nap in the warm sand, dreams of island love. Mahalo ke akua, blessings from above. Tide rolling, bring shells to the sand. Kids build castles tall with tiny little hands. Ukulele strum, soft breeze carry that tune. Sunshine hug my heart under the tropic moon. No worries, no rush, just the ocean's hum. This the kind of day where peace and joy come. Oh, perfect beach day under the sky so blue. Watching the Kiki play, every moment feel true. Nap in the warm sand, dreams of island love. Mahalo ke akua, blessings from above. Let the world fade away. Clouds them drifting by, nothing more to say. Kiki voices sing like a melody so sweet. Hawaiian reggae vibe make my heart complete. Sunset paint the sky, orange, pink and gold. Stories of the Aina in every wave that roll. Kids still dancing free with the ocean's embrace. This the perfect day in this sacred place. Close my eyes, drift off sand, my island bed. Dreams of aloha fill my heart and head. Oh, perfect beach day under the sky so blue. Watching the Kiki play, every moment feel true. Nap in the warm sand, dreams of island love. Mahalo ke akua, blessings from above. Ekamona, ekalani, mahalo nui loha. Perfect beach day vibe, let the aloha flow. Ja and Kiki, sand and sea, this the way.